Using the Lumisculpt Pro Natural Face Lifter from Brazion.co has completely transformed the way my skin looks, feels, and responds to care. And I can confidently say it has become an essential part of my daily self-care routine. From the first few uses, I noticed a gentle tightening sensation that felt incredibly soothing and relaxing, almost like my facial muscles were being awakened and retrained in the most natural way possible. As days turned into weeks, the results became more visible and consistent. My skin appeared firmer, my jawline looked more sculpted, and areas that once felt loose or tired began to regain elasticity and definition. What I love most is how natural the results look. There's no harsh pulling or artificial stiffness, just a healthy, lifted appearance that enhances my facial features rather than changing them. My cheeks appear fuller and more toned, fine lines look softened, and my overall complexion has developed a smooth, radiant glow that makes me feel confident even without makeup. The device itself is easy to handle, comfortable on the skin, and simple enough to use daily without any learning curve, which makes it perfect for busy schedules. I also noticed that my serums and moisturizers absorb far better after using the Lumisculpt Pro, making my skincare products work more effectively than ever before. Each session feels like a professional facial treatment at home, calming, refreshing, and deeply rejuvenating, without pain, downtime, or expensive salon visits. Over time, my skin has become more resilient, more youthful, and visibly revitalized, and the improvement hasn't been temporary. It continues to build with regular use. Friends and family have commented on how refreshed and lifted my face looks, often asking what I've changed in my routine. This product doesn't just improve appearance. It boosts confidence by making your skin feel strong, healthy, and vibrant again. For anyone seeking a non-invasive, easy-to-use, and truly effective solution for facial lifting, toning, and overall skin rejuvenation, the Lumisculpt Pro Natural Face Lifter delivers outstanding results and feels like a premium investment in long-term skin health and beauty.